So you've seen the thumbnail. This is not clickbait. I want to tell y'all before y'all start noticing that Dapper's not here and that he's in less videos. I don't know why my husband don't take his watch with him to work. Anyway, now before y'all come at me, watch this entire video. I will explain why Dapper's not here anymore. There is 2 reasons why Dapper is not here anymore. And before I get into this, remember, you only see what I want you to see in these videos. They are edited. So just because everybody looks all happy-dory, don't mean they are. You do not know what goes on in this house. You do not know what goes on behind closed doors. And remember, videos are edited and put together. Now, here we go. As you know, Weezer, I have said this over and over and over, she is very skittish. She has anxiety. She stresses out. And she's been that way ever since I brought her home and she was this big. She's always been a little fraidy cat. She took up with Tigger. As soon as she came in, she took up with Tigger and he took up with her. Willow, on the other hand, she didn't like her. So anyway, Weezer's been fine and dandy. We bring Dapper home. Weezer was the last one to accept him. And honestly, she still has not accepted him. Can I help you, sir? Titty. Anyway, so Weezer still never really accepted Dapper. And she was okay for a little while, a few months, you know, until Dapper started getting bigger than her. And then that's when her anxiety has really, you know, skyrocketed. And then we had the tornado, which that didn't help at all either. So for the past few months, and even before I even got Dapper fixed, he would target Weezer. Only Weezer. He would mess with Willow some, but not like he does Weezer. And I don't know what it is about Weezer, but he would target her. I did that video that one time when I walked into the bedroom and he was on top of her. They was not doing anything, by the way. He was playing. She's fixed. At that moment, she was fixed. I think he was fixed. Or maybe his fixed. No, he was fixed. Was he fixed? I don't know. But he was like 3-4 months old. No, he wasn't fixed. Anyway, he was like 3-4 months old and he jumps on her. Well, that's what he does to her all day and all night. So we get him fixed. He still does it. Like, he jumps on her like he's mating, biting her, like, just hard, like mean, biting her on the back of her neck, and she's over here hollering and crying, and I'm over here like, Dapper, stop, you know? So it done got to the point, now that he's bigger than her, like, he just overpowers her. And she would hide. Like, she had done got terrified of Dapper. She done got to where she would not come out, especially if we're all in the living room and he's in there. She ain't coming out. She basically would only come out and be social when it was time to eat or when Dapper was sleeping. But other than that, you wasn't gonna catch. I call you back, Jasmine. You weren't catching her out. And that's one reason you hardly ever see her in videos. It's because she's so skittish and shy. We've been talking about this for actually a few months, that we need to rehome him, but I was afraid to rehome him because I didn't know how. I've got a big following. I didn't know how people's going to take this. And I know a lot of y'all going to come for me. I'm a big girl. I'm ready for it. I got my big girl panties on. I am ready for y'all to come at me. But at the end of the day, Weezer was here first. Weezer does not deserve this. She don't understand. And I'm not home all the time. I can't protect her 24/7 if I'm not home. So, with that being said, we did rehome Dapper. I did find him a good home, I think. Just wait till I tell you where he went. But that being said, he went home with Jasmine. Not sure that was the best idea, but he went home with Jasmine. But as you know, the boys love him, and he loves the boys. He's not afraid of them. They play with him, and he loves it. The boys has been wanting Dapper ever since I got him. So Jasmine said, yes, we'll take him. The boys love him. And he is in the house. He will stay in the house. I go and visit the boys several times a week. So I will keep y'all updated and show y'all videos of Dapper. And he's doing real good. He was a little afraid the first day. That second day, he was back Dapper. Pain in the butt. But he's doing great. He ain't stressed. And Weezer, since he's been gone, she's been staying in the living room, in the kitchen with me. She's coming out. She's playing. She's social again. Honestly, that could be a lot of why she was losing hair. I don't know. But we'll see. Do I think she has a food allergy? I don't. I really think a lot of her problems was Dapper. But like I said, we'll see. I did get her the special food that the prescription food that he recommended. Yeah, she ain't eating it. She looked at it and said, So I don't know what to do now if it is a food allergy. So our next step is either to get her tested to see what she's allergic to, or me kind of just do my own trial, take stuff away from her, give her one certain thing all the time. But before I do that, I want to see how she's going to do in the next month or so without Dapper here. If her fur starts growing back, then I know that it was stress and it was Dapper. If it's not, then we'll do the food test and do a trial. But Dapper, and everybody knows Willow has a bad knee. It pops in and out. He would jump on her. And of course, let's face it, Willow can't move real fast. Well, then she would get the limping with her knee because the way he would jump on her, and he would jump on her like mating too. Her knee would pop in and out, so she'd be limping for a little bit. Now Tigger, him and Dapper would jump on Tigger, but Tigger's big enough that they would just roll around and fight. You know, Tigger's big enough that he can handle himself. And I know that y'all are going to say Dapper's still a kitten and it's in the kitten phase. But I'm not going to keep stressing Weezer. Like, she was here first. I'm not going to keep putting her through stress. So, I hope you understand. And if you don't, I'm not going to apologize for it because this is what's best for Weezer. And I don't know what else to tell you if you don't accept this. I'm doing what's best for Weezer. Because, you know, she's Weezer. I'm looking at him on the cat tree. Y'all, they hadn't got off his cat tree. You want to see? Oh, how do I turn it? I just took a screenshot. I don't think I can turn it. Anyway, they're sitting on the cat tree in the window. Dapper did get a cuddle clone. It's in the process of being made. I will take it to him. And I will, I will update y'all on Dapper, show y'all videos. He's fine. I guess that's about it. So, I do still have a little bit of footage of Dapper that I will probably still put in the videos. So, when you see that he's not around no more, that's what it is. So, yeah. I really hope y'all understand. I know I've been catching y'all. I'm just gonna catch y'all like that. Alright, well, bring it on.
Well, my sweet baby cat Jesus, it's raining, Miss Jasmine. I bet while I was shopping.
Dap.